It's another great day in the Philippines here, guys. It's so crazy to think that I've been based here for a little over a year now. I really love it here in the Philippines. So many things to do and super affordable. I think that I'm going to be posting a video about this, why I chose to live here. So if you guys want to watch that, just stay posted here, guys. But today I wanted to make a quick video on a new fitness program that was just announced. The 10 rounds workout with Joel Freeman was just announced on November of 2019. And I'm going to try to let you guys know everything you need to know about this boxing fitness program. But in a nutshell, the creator of fitness programs like Lift 4, Core to Force, some of you guys know these programs, but celebrity trainer Joel Freeman, he's the mastermind behind this high-intensity boxing fitness program. It's a 6-week program that focuses on getting you lean with a total body transformation. You're going to be doing 10 rounds of boxing moves 3 times a week, and 2 days a week you're going to be strength training to increase your power and strength. All the workouts are about 30 to 40 minutes with a calorie burn being around 500 calories per workout. Of course, this depends on your personal intensity. The workouts are designed to help you increase your total body strength, agility, speed, and endurance. And trust me, it's going to challenge you mentally too. That's what they tell me. The last minute of each workout is also going to have a killer intense burnout. So get ready for that. That part always scares me, and the fact that I'm out of shape right now, it even really scares me even more. Here's another thing. For some of you who've done the Core to Force, the main difference between the 2 workout programs is that Core to Force was Joel's first Beachbody workout program, and it's mixed martial arts versus 100% boxing. And unlike Core to Force, the new 10 rounds program will also include weight training, which I really like. The 10 rounds is 100% boxing focused. You'll be learning simple repetitions and shadow boxing each day. I think this will be perfect for people who have always wanted to get into boxing for fitness and even use it for self-defense. Now, for those of you who've done Joel's strength-based program, Lift 4, the main difference is that the strength workouts in the 10 rounds program is focused on muscle endurance, core work, unilateral movements to help you improve your boxing, and Lift 4 was more of a muscle building program. So the question is, who is the 10 rounds boxing fitness program for? I would say everyone who wants to try it out, but to narrow it down a bit, I would say it's perfect for men and women looking for an intense boxing workout at home, women looking to tone up, men looking to get ripped, intermediate to advanced exercises, someone who gets bored doing the same routines like me, and I'm sure you guys can relate with that. Anyone looking to get a tough workout in about 30 to 40 minutes. Now, as far as equipment, all I know is that you're going to need some dumbbells for the strength workouts. If you have the Bowflex Select Techs, those are my favorite when it comes to adjustable dumbbells. But of course, just use what you have and just adjust accordingly. Now, for those of you wondering if there's going to be a modifier, I'm not quite sure at this point, but I'm pretty sure that there will be, as most of the Beachbody workouts do. But I'll definitely share a link with all of you. That way you guys can stay updated on the latest information about the new program. So when will the 10 rounds be launched? That's the question, right? So I was told that the 10 rounds program will be available to Beachbody coaches only this March 2020. Around March 9th, so beginning of March. So if you're thinking about coaching or you're already a coach, that's one of the perks. We can order the program before anyone else. VIP early access to 10 rounds will officially start on April 6th. This April 6, 2020, the creator Joel, the celebrity trainer, he's going to be hosting a special group for anyone with early access as well. So just connect with me so that I can give you more details on that group. The workout will be available to all Beachbody on-demand customers for no additional charge this October 2020. So that's it, guys. Hope this helps. If you want all the updates, just message me. And also, I'll leave some links somewhere around this video, but feel free to give me a buzz so that I can give you a free membership link for all the updates. No strings attached, no purchases required. That free membership link will also give you information on other programs and nutritional information that you might find useful. Anyways, take care guys, and I will see you soon.